We have 8 2-inch roll cage clamps. The tools needed will be a 7/16 deep well socket along with a ratchet, a 7/16 wrench, tape measure, pencil, a cordless or electric drill with a 7/16 nut drive. This makes it easier to assemble. If not, you do not have one of these, you can put it all on with the ratchet and the wrench. A 5/16 metal drill bit along with a drill, whether it be a air drill as pictured here or electric or cordless, any of them will work. And squeeze clamps are always nice to have to hold things in place as you are assembling it. The parts come with the enclosure are the back panel, the top, the windshield, the back slide angles, the inside wing panels, and the outside wing panels for the back.